Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this figure. I'm going to start on this line. 3.5 is the dimension. Okay, ready? Type L per line. Going down is 3.5. Make sure that your ortho mode is on. And then here, to your right, is 2.5. Enter. Just have to continuously draw the line. And then the height here is actually 5. Height here is 5. And then 1.25. Going up is 1.25. Going to your right, another 1.25. Going up, that is 1.69. Going up again, I'm going to go up 1.44. I'll be drawing this line here. And then going to your left, that is 2.5. One more line to your left horizontally is 5 units. And then line, this is 2.5. 2.5. Now going down is 2.5. This one. 2.5. Another 1.88 units. Then right is 1.25. Going to your right. Going down is 2.25. Going to your left, 1.25. Going down, that is 2.75. And going to your right, that is 2.5. Going up is 1.25. You see, continuously we can draw the line. Then 2.5 here. And then I'm just going to connect to this endpoint. And then that's it. Then I'm going to create these two inclined lines here. Line again, type it. Go to the endpoint and then connect to the other endpoint here. Enter. Another line here. Connecting to one endpoint here. That's it. Just need to delete this corner. There you go. We're done with our object. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.